Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, I say welcome. You are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Join the family, join the growing family. To my old subscribers, I say thank you. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for supporting me, for watching my videos, for all the likes, the comments, the shares. I can see all of them and I say thank you all. Thank you very much. And please watch my videos and watch my videos to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. So today's video is I'm trying to make a beautiful hairpiece for our princesses, and the measurement for this is 5 inches by 5 inches. Then I made a triangular form with it, then so round it and then leave a little bit of space to turn it. And after turning it, I stitched down the remaining opening. Then I went ahead to get the middle part of this hairpiece, and then from that middle part I'm going to gather this to form to form a bow kind of thing. So I went ahead to gather it with my hand needle. Then after gathering it, I'm going to use the thread to hold it in place and then secure it and make a knot or tie it at that place. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out this piece of fabric to cover the rough edges of it. So I'm going to be using my hot glue for this. I left it to get hot, and I'm going to um put a little bit on the hair bow, then start gumming it down. And then when I got to the end, I'm going to close up the rough edges before gumming the remaining one down, and then attach the pin for it or the clip for it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my videos to family and friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.